Hello everyone, today we will talk about Cash App Afterpay and how it works. Cash App Afterpay is a feature in Cash App that allows you to pay for purchases over time instead of paying the full amount at once. It is designed to make shopping easier and more flexible. With Afterpay, you can split a purchase into 4 equal payments. These payments are typically due every 2 weeks. One of the main benefits of using Afterpay is that there is no interest when you pay on time. This means you only pay the original cost of the item without extra fees. It can help you manage larger purchases by breaking them into smaller, more manageable amounts. You can think of it as a way to budget for things you need without waiting to save the full amount. Cash App Afterpay also makes it simple to keep track of your payments. Inside the app, you can see how much you owe and when each payment is scheduled. This helps you plan your spending and make sure you do not miss a payment. Paying on time keeps your account in good standing and avoids late fees. Overall, Cash App Afterpay is a tool that provides convenience and control over your spending. It helps you manage payments, avoid interest, and shop more comfortably. Thanks for watching.